In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enlarge candles on TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make price candles appear bigger or smaller on your chart so you can analyze moves with more confidence and less eye strain. Start by opening TradingView and signing into your account. Once you're in, load the stock, index, crypto, or any asset you want to analyze. You can use the search bar at the top to find the symbol quickly. When the chart opens, pick the time frame you want, like 1 minute, 15 minutes, or daily, so you're looking at the scale that best fits your analysis. Now, to enlarge the candles, focus on the price scale along the right side of the chart. This vertical axis shows the price levels. Move your cursor over that price scale, click and hold, and then drag. Dragging upwards stretches the scale and makes the candles appear taller, which emphasizes price swings and makes wicks and bodies easier to see. Dragging downward compresses the scale and makes the candles appear shorter, giving you a wider perspective of price movement. Release the mouse when you reach a size that feels comfortable. A quick note on what's actually changing here. You're not zooming in time or adding more candles to view, you're adjusting the vertical scale, which changes how much space each price move takes up on your screen. This helps you fine-tune the visual emphasis on volatility. If you're working with very tight ranges or very volatile moves, a small drag can make a big difference. If the chart snaps back after you drag, look for the auto button near the price scale. When auto is enabled, TradingView automatically fits all visible price action into view. You can toggle auto off, adjust the scale to your liking, and toggle it back on later if needed. And if you ever want to reset the view quickly, double-clicking the price scale returns it to an automatic fit. A couple of helpful tips as you work. Make sure your cursor is actually on the price scale before you drag, or it won't adjust the vertical scale. If you use logarithmic scaling for long-term charts, you can still drag the price axis the same way. The visual effect remains consistent, just proportional to log movement. That's it. Load your chart and drag the price scale up or down to enlarge or shrink the candles. Practice a few times until it feels natural, and you'll be able to dial in the perfect view for your analysis every time.